Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason you're running into this SMS fee problem where for some reason, you're getting this thing inside of Telegram. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the main thing you want to go and keep in mind here for is that the most successful way to bypass this fee prompt is to go ahead and use kind of a different alternative way of kind of going through and, kind of getting access to this. So, number one, what you can do is you can, instead of going through and using like a Wi Fi connection, you can go through and switch over to something like a data connection. So if you're on Wi-Fi, try turning off Wi-Fi and then try going through the setup again. Or what you can do is if you're on, data, turn off your data or just, connect to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that ends up fixing the problem too. Sometimes just switching it can sometimes, kind of fix it. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing here in this particular situation. You can also try using a VPN. So if you're able to download some sort of VPN application, that can be another really easy thing that you can try doing here too, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. Now, you can also try going through and seeing if there's another like a login that you can try, ignoring. So, sometimes you might be able to, log in via your iPhone. If you have an iPhone, you can log in via your iPhone account, and that might end up fixing the problem. Same thing with Androids. If you have another Android phone, try doing it that way and switching it out, because that could be another thing I'd recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.